Shane McCool.
And I'm Maritza McCool.
Welcome to Willow Creek. My mom had actually come up with the idea of building a glass chapel here on the family farm. My family's had this farm now since March 4th of 1893. When it came to building the barn, we were able to recycle enough materials to see what you see here today. We're not just a typical barn venue. With the addition of the chapel down here, we've also got several nature trails. We're located in the country that is unlike any other place that you're going to find here in the state of Iowa. We added on with the sun deck and we built a bridge that crosses the pond. It just kind of made a natural amphitheater space over there. If for some reason you plan an outdoor ceremony that day and the weather turns south, you can always move right into the chapel.
It's a wonderful venue. We didn't have to do hardly anything to it.
Definitely put the couple first. Absolutely appreciate it. Every step of the way.
Thank you.
The bridal cottage is just meant for an area for the brides to get ready with their bridesmaids. It's got its own private bathroom. People mistaken it for the chapel actually when they come to a wedding. We also have a little saying that goes, difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations, and that fits it perfectly for us. For people that are coming from the city,
once they get here, they're glad they made the trek. If you get a chance, pop on over our Facebook page and check out what people have had to say about us.
if you would like some more information, please visit our website at www.willowcreekglasschapel.com and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for joining us today.